What's up guys, today we're going to be doing a maintenance wash on my E61 520D. Any of you 4-pot fans out there? I know a lot of you are 6-pot, but if you fancy following along on this, if you want to see the interior done, give us a shout out and let me know. I'm more than happy to do that. Been doing valeting for a lot of years now, so it's just something I do on the side, and I like to keep my own personal car up to scratch if I can. She's no minter, but she's a workhorse. So what we'll do is I'll take you around what products I use and give you a montage of the actual cleaning process. And I think this is probably going to be the first in a series of little bits that I'm going to do to the car. Got trims to do, got timing chain to do, which is another big one. Inner tie rods need doing. I've noticed there's a bit of play in there, and just general maintenance, so I'll document that. And there's a number of projects in the wings in the future. If you guys enjoy the content, then please give us a like, give us a subscribe just here, and yeah, of course, obviously I'll try and give you as much content as possible. But yeah, let's crack on and I'll show you the products I'll be using. Right, so the main products I'll be using today is what's in front of you here. 2-bucket method with a lamb's wool wash mitt and some drying towels. Now, I've recently just acquired Polar Seal and Polar Wash to try out. Really impressed with that from a consumer point of view. Brilliant stuff. And personal favourite, Bilthamber, Cervix HD and Autofoam. And I find Megs Endurance for the tyre wheel, trims, all that. For the glass is one of the longer lasting ones, so obviously a matter of opinion, but I've also got here Cervix HD mixed up there, and IPA, which I use for windows and things, which I find works best. And yeah, obviously standard Snow Cannon there for a Karcher pressure washer. I've got a number of other products, but this is what I'd use for a standard maintenance wash. And yeah, let's crack on. Give it a try, guys. Perfect for your daily, weekly maintenance wash. Lasts for months and months. Brilliant stuff. And away we go. So there we go, guys, a weekly wash, 3-stage, snow foam, Autoglym polar wash, and then polar seal to finish it off. So yeah, so let's cut to a montage. There you go, guys, another weekly wash done. You know, she's got a few dings, scratches, a few curbing marks on the alloys, but just goes to show if you keep on top of it, then you know you can keep even older cars looking nice. Obviously, if you've got any questions in regards to what I used today, just let us know. Pop a comment down. If you like the video, please give us a like. You know, support me if you can. Give us a sub, and we'll be on to the next vid soon. And I think we're going to be doing the track rod in, so I'll catch you in that one. See you later, guys. Cheers.